morning, guys. It's Monday morning today. Me and my husband have an early 8:30 appointment. Notary signing. What kind of signing is it, love?
Sale of a property.
Yes, seller property. So that's what it said. And every time the seller property is in need of witness. So of course, sure, life's truly is a witness again.
Yes.
Yesterday I get a pay though, so it's a good deal. So I have advanced my payment yesterday because we did also like carrier and everything. So that's how it is. So now 8:30 Monday, and we have 2. So when my off, I go as a secretary of my husband, aka wife witness secretary. Everything you call me, it's you can call me. That's our job here, and that's our life. Sorry for my messy hair, and that's my hubby. He's my love. Happy Daddy's Day. Love you.